Life of it. Dad's of Dad's Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's what Dad's of. Check.
Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Cause this is the life of.
Yo, what up, brethren and sisters? You don't know, it's Lord High, the Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel, and today is all about the 36-month free farm lock update. You don't know, the 3-year lock anniversary, people. We're doing it big. You have to understand, say, right now, everything been going good. We've been loving it, brethren. For reach 3 years is a major blessing. Everybody been realizing, say, yo, it's a super thick locks, them running the place. It's the biggest style about everywhere I was. Over the weekend, I was in Ochi for a party weekend where we went to a party named Hayar on the Weekender band. And we went to a party named Festival of Floats. It's a crazy beach party where you bring out the floats and stuff. And we can tell you, say, it was crazy, and it was everybody was asking me about the hair, how it get my hair like that, what's the style to get it like that, and all of the above. So you don't know, it's a blessing for reach 3 years. 3 years worth of growing the locks, 3 years worth of, you don't know, having a unique hairstyle. The big man, the lion, you don't know. Heavy is the head that wear the crown. So them have to understand that too. When you're looking at these Congos, everybody can say, yo, super thick, you know what I mean? So these are the super thick dreads. It's been 3 years now, guys. You've been supporting me from day one. We want to shout out everybody. We want to give everybody love. And come and like and subscribe to the video. Bless up on yourself. You know it's been Lord High, the Dads for the Dad's Life YouTube channel. You don't know, me feel blessed. 3 years, you don't know. Bless up on yourself, you know. The lock anniversary, 36 months, free farm dreads. You don't know, brethren, me feel blessed, bruh. So bless up on yourself every time. You don't know. Lord High, the Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel. Boom.
Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What? The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad. I'm a father in the game.